Hello, Word. I'm Alex, and welcome back to another episode where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is broadband, a C1 level noun meaning fast internet connection. Broadband refers to a high-capacity transmission technique using a wide range of frequencies, enabling multiple messages to be communicated simultaneously. Think of it like a superhighway for internet data, allowing you to stream videos, download files, and browse the web quickly and efficiently. In everyday language, we often use broadband to describe our home or office internet service. For example, do you have broadband at your new apartment? Or our broadband speed is much faster than before. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for broadband. A close synonym is high-speed internet. For example, we switched to high-speed internet to improve our video conferencing quality. Another synonym is fiber optic. The new building is equipped with fiber optic broadband. We can also use high bandwidth. The server requires high bandwidth to handle the increased traffic. Furthermore, consider super-fast internet. They advertise super-fast internet as a key selling point. And lastly, ultra-fast connection. The company invested in an ultra-fast connection to improve productivity. Now, let's explore some antonyms for broadband, words that represent slower or less advanced internet connections. One antonym is dial-up. My grandparents still use a dial-up connection because they don't need much internet access. Another antonym is narrowband. Narrowband connections are generally much slower than broadband. We could also use slow internet. Living in the countryside often means dealing with slow internet. Alternatively, consider low-speed connection. The rural area struggles with a low-speed connection. And finally, legacy internet. The old office building uses legacy internet, which is far behind modern standards. In everyday life, you'll hear broadband used in many contexts. You might hear someone say, "I need to upgrade my broadband package," or "the broadband installation is scheduled for tomorrow." You might also read headlines like "New broadband technology promises faster speeds," or "Government invests in rural broadband expansion." Here are some more examples of broadband in sentences. Our broadband connection allows us to work from home seamlessly. The availability of reliable broadband is crucial for online education. We experienced broadband outage during the storm. The company offers various broadband plans to suit different needs. The future of work depends on access to affordable broadband. So, to summarize, broadband is a fast internet connection, often synonymous with high-speed internet, fiber optic, high bandwidth, super-fast internet, or ultra-fast connection. Its antonyms include dial-up, narrowband, slow internet, low-speed connection, and legacy internet. It's a term you'll frequently encounter in discussions about technology, internet access, and modern communication. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode informative and helpful. If you enjoyed learning about broadband, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their vocabulary too. Don't forget to create your own sentence using the word broadband and share it in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.